friends! Today I'm making a catapult. I need Lego pieces. I need 8 puppies Lego. I need 4 bumpies and this and the board, Lego board. So I am attaching a stick with the spoon. I'm adding some glue. Now our this launching mechanism is done to launch the ball. Now I'm making the body for it will go up for that a body. So first we need these 8 bumpies and I have to stack 2 of those. Then attach with the board strongly and do the same thing with the other side. Then you need to use 4 bumpies. Same do with the other side. Then you need another one. Then put this 2 little bumpies. Before you attach, you have to put another one. Together, you see here. Then you have to put this launcher, you have to put this mechanism to that and put these 2 Legos. It's ready. The body is ready. Wait, maybe we need much higher. Let's do it a bit higher. Bit more high. I'm giving this bit higher. I'm making it taller. Now we have to put it so it will launch now. If it's broke out, you have to replace it. Then put it so it's down enough to launch. Now let's test it. I have attached the catapult to the box. Now it's time to test. I'm getting a ball. 2 balls. I'm loading 1 ball. It works. Now I'm attaching a thread. Now it's attached. Now I have to target the dog. I will control with